Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I just want to show you a thing that I'm noticing and experiencing but don't have a solution for. Specifically, if you're the kind of person who is saving reports and setting those reports up to send or email to you on a regular basis, I'm really struggling getting the modern view reports to be set up for email, whereas I can with the classic reports. So this I've got is monthly reports and weekly reports to make it easy to differentiate. My monthly reports, I just pulled the check detail because I made a video for that earlier. This is a modern view report. If I go back to reports, I show you the profit and loss. The profit and loss is a classic view report. Let me go back to my report list and I'll show you my first challenge. What if I wanted both of these to be in the category or the header of monthly reports? Let me go to my profit and loss. I'm just going to click on edit. I'm going to say I want to add it to my report group monthly, but monthly doesn't show up as an option. So I'm like, okay, no problem. I can very much see that monthly reports is here. So maybe I can just go into my profit and loss and I can save it this way. If I click on save customization, monthly doesn't appear here either. So that's a treat. Let me go ahead and go back. Maybe I can go the other way. Let me put my check detail report into the weekly and I can just rename weekly. So if I click the drop down, I can create a schedule, which is great. I can change my group. That's what I want. But my only group options are monthly. I don't have the option for weekly. So I can see it here. If I click on check detail, if I click on the drop down for save and I say change group, weekly is not there. If I do a save as, I'll just put a 2 on the end of it. Save as 2. Okay, well that just made it a custom report. So here it is. It's not in any group in particular. Add to group. Monthly is my only option. I don't know why this is happening. I don't have a solution for how to fix it. I think it is kind of frustrating because I want to be able to send reports to myself or to my client or whomever needs this information. And I don't want to send multiple emails. Like I feel like I should be able to send just one email. Let me show you how sending the report works, just because we're on the topic anyhow. For the weekly reports, which I can just rename, let me click on edit and I'll call them classic reports. I can set an email schedule. So we'll do that. And it can be daily, weekly, monthly, twice a month. I'm really not going to email them, but we'll say we're going to do one and after one occurrence. Rachel at gentlefrog.com. Okay. Save and close. So this is set up to go every day. If I click on this, I am unable to batch. Let me change this from monthly to say modern reports. I'm not able to do like a batch sending for these, but I can do individual. So I can create a schedule. I'm going to create and send. The workflow name, let's say here, modern reports daily, just something boring. So the report name, do this every one. Do you see how day is not an option, but it was an option a second ago? I guess I can do it every 1 week. What I'm not loving that I don't have a way to like stop it, and then it doesn't have any default text, but the default text is fine. I just wish I had a way to be like, first I want to do it daily. Second, I want to stop it after one report. So we'll say save and turn on. So the check detail report is set up to automatically get emailed, although I don't know that from looking at this. Check detail report number 2, create a schedule. It seems like, unless I'm totally misunderstanding something here, then I would have to make separate workflows. So if I were to send myself a half a dozen reports on a weekly basis, I'm going to get a bunch of different emails. I'm not going to get them combined or consolidated like I can with the classic reports. I'm kind of not loving that. The purpose of this video is not to say, oh my gosh, here's all these problems. The purpose is just to show you, if you're used to creating reports and having them sent to yourself and you're trying to figure out like, why doesn't this work? Friend, you and me both. If you're looking at this and you're thinking, wow, that is kind of frustrating, I would love it if you would consider just submitting feedback. So when you click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner, you can come down here to feedback, and then you can provide any information that you'd like, as well as a screenshot of what's happening on the screen. You don't have to, but I think sometimes the developers, they just may not know the stuff that we're trying to do at the bookkeeping desk, whether you're a professional bookkeeper or a business owner who just has a rhythm that you like. All right. Any questions, any comments, or any solutions if somebody knows how to do this? I would love it if you'd post it below. Okay, thanks. Bye.